Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're opening up a package all the way from Wilmington, Illinois. We're going to be opening up this one here and seeing what's inside. So I just want to thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the video. This package was sent in by Mr. Gordon Holman from Wilmington, Illinois. Let's see what's in here. All right, here we go. Hello, Doc. Gordon Holman here from Wilmington, Illinois. 1 hour south of Chicago, Illinois. Here are some extras for you to give some TLC to. I hope you enjoy the fixed Damascus knife I made for you. Oh my God. How about that, y'all? The small lock back, I also put earth tone micarta on and decorated the spine. Dude, that's awesome. I'm a bladesmith, and folks can check out my YouTube channel at Kodiak Edge Bladesmithing, or follow me at Kodiak Edge or Backwoods Leather Custom Upholstery on Facebook. Dude, I didn't know you had a YouTube channel. I would definitely check you out, man. Thanks, y'all. You ever need a custom knife sheath for any of your knives, give me a holler. Peace. Well, Gordon, thank you so much, man. I appreciate that so much, man. This is his card here, y'all. Pretty cool, ain't it? Wow. Gordon, thank you, buddy. You do awesome work, man. Awesome work, dude. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see these things. We're going to open this one last, y'all. I think that's that fixed blade. Awesome. Wow. Man, I don't even know where to start. Saber. That handle's pretty, ain't it? Check that out. Wow. It's light too. Very light. It's sharp too. The handle is beautiful. Love that. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Check this one out, y'all. This says made in USA. That says Star Brand shoes are better. This is an old advertisement knife, man. I love this. And it's in good shape too. Just needs to be cleaned up. I bet, is it brass, you reckon? It might be. This knife will clean up good. Sure will. I love that, man. Sure do. And it's in excellent shape. It really is. Got that good carbon steel in it too. Awesome. Thank you, man, for that. Let's see what this one is. Brit knife, USA. Awesome, man. I love that too. Sharp. It's hard to open. Just needs a little oil. Thank you, man. I love that. Love that. It's a little advertising knife too. Main blade is gone. Check that out. Petite Service Station Restaurant. Battleground, Indiana. Citgo. That's awesome. Love that, man. Thank you. Kent. Remember, Kent was made by Camillus. Awesome, man. Just needs to be cleaned up is all. Them handles are nice. That's pretty, ain't it? Very nice. Love that, man. Thank you. Let's check out this Damascus. Can't read that. Nil Simple Tools. That's wild right there now. Very wild. Look at that engraving on that back spring. Pretty, ain't it? It's a good looking knife. Very good looking knife. I love that. Very cool, man. Thank you. Wicked, wicked feeling. Awesome. We thank you, buddy, Mr. Gordon. This is a Winchester knife. Good snap on that little thing. Very cool. Check this one out. That is a USA. I can't. John's. I can't make that out. Get a little piece of sandpaper and go over it real quick. See if we can't make it out. There we go. Johnston, USA. And that blade's nice, ain't it? Good snap. This is going to clean up very well, and I love the handles. Beautiful. Hear that snap, y'all? Awesome. That's an awesome knife. Check this bad boy out. It's a Frost, USA. Check that out. That's coming out right there. Need to be re-glued is all. Pocket clip, liner lock. It's made by Frost in the USA. Check those out. I wonder what that is right there. Footprints? Yeah, paw prints, looks like. That's cool. Feels good in your hand too. It's very light. Nice. Very nice. We thank you, man. Mr. Gordon. What's that right there? Handmade. The handles are nice. Very cool, buddy. I like that little thing now. Wooden handles. Brass bolsters. This is a good little EDC knife here. Very thin. Blade looks good. Stainless. That's a good looking knife. It really is. I like that. What is this one right here? Pakistani. Look at them handles, y'all. Check out that back spring. I like the handles. This is the one he must have been talking about. He have a small lock back. Also put earth tone micarta on and decorated the spine. Okay. Yeah, that's cool right there now. I see that. That's pretty. I like that. Very nice. Awesome. He must have decorated this spine too. It looks just like that. Very cool. Awesome. I do like the handles here though. Check that out. That's pretty. Micarta. Awesome. See what this bad boy is. Pakistani. Light blade. Very cool. I always wondered how they do that. How they make handles like that. Pretty cool. Or is it dyed wood or I don't know. Very cool. Alright. See his knife here, y'all. Oh my God. Oh man. Check this out, y'all. I already see something. Wow. Dude. Guys, check that out, man. Oh my God, man. This is awesome, Gordon. Oh my gosh. Look at that, y'all. Ain't that a beautiful knife? Dude. I'm going on a camping trip today and I'm taking this with me. Check that out. Dude, I love this. I guess it's supposed to be put it in your belt like this where you can, that's awesome, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Wow, it's sharp too now. Wow. Ain't that awesome, y'all? Gordon, I love this, man. This is so freaking awesome. Wow. Oh boy, I love that, man. Thank you so much for this knife. Y'all know what I'm fixing to do, right? I got to put a lanyard in this thing. That thing is beautiful, man. Beautiful. I love this, Gordon. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, guys, this is his shop here. Man. Awesome. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love that right there. Thank you. Mr. Gordon sent those knives all the way from Wilmington, Illinois. 763 miles away from Ellaville, Georgia. Mr. Gordon, I appreciate these knives, man. I love that Damascus handmade knife, man. Thank you so much, buddy. God bless you. Appreciate you supporting the channel, man. I love this knife. Thank you. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I just want to thank Mr. Gordon again for these wonderful knives and this handmade gifted knife that he made for me, especially for me. I just want to thank you for that, Gordon, and I love that right there. And you already see I've got me a lanyard on there already. See that right there? Don't that look good? Very cool, ain't it? I love that, man. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Awesome. But I love that right there. Very cool, buddy. Thank you so much, Gordon. Thank you. Y'all check him out. His YouTube channel is Kodiak Edge Bladesmithing. I'm definitely going to check him out, and I'm going to subscribe. I didn't know you had a... I see you commenting from time to time, but it never dawned on me that you had a channel, buddy. Thank you for that. But I just want to thank y'all guys for tuning in today. I want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.